Morning, welcome to
MathIdeas109.
109. This is going to be our last binary video for a little while. This is probably, what, the 10th binary video in a row? So we got a great set of videos about how to learn about binary. So today we're going to just do one last subtraction practice. So let's look at 1, 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 1, 1. Okay, this is all in binary. And remember, the first digit is the ones digit. The second digit is the
twos digit.
Third digit is the fourth digit. And the last digit, or the fourth digit, is the eighth digit. Okay, great. So let's take a look at this. This is 1 times 1 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 4 plus 1 times 8. So what is this number?
9.
9. This is 9. And we're going to subtract. So let's figure out what this number is real quick, just to see it.
So it's like 3 plus 4.
3 plus 4, which is?
7.
7, because it's 1 times 1 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 4. So that's 7. So we have 9 minus 7, so we're hoping that we get an answer that's equal to 2. So hopefully this shouldn't be too hard, everyone. So do you remember what we do for subtraction?
Yeah. So 1 minus 1 is...
Go ahead, write it. You can write it. 1 minus 1 is 0.
0 minus 1 is minus 1.
0 minus 1 is minus 1.
And 0 minus 1 is again minus 1.
Okay.
1 minus 0 is 1.
Okay, so now I'm going to just erase this just so I can write it a little more carefully. But you're absolutely right. We get 1 minus 1 minus 1, 0. Now, is that a good binary number or not a good binary number?
It's not a good binary number.
Okay, so we're going to have to fix it. But let's check if it's equal to 2 at least. Remember, this is the ones digit, the twos digit, the fours digit, and the eights digit. So we get 1 times 8 minus 1 times 4 minus 1 times 2. Okay, so that's 8 minus 4, which is?
4.
Minus 2, which is?
Minus 2 is 2.
2. So we got 2. We got what we were hoping we'd get. So that's good. It's just that we didn't get a good binary number. So we have to figure out how to fix this. And do you remember how we fix it when we have minuses?
We do the same process for reverse.
We do the reverse process we did for adding. And what is that process?
Well, we take one of those, I think, 4s.
Well, we got 1, 2, 4, 8.
So,
We're going to take our 8 here. We're going to take our 1 times 8 and make it
2 4s.
2 times 4. So this 1 minus 1 minus 1, 0 is going to turn into, we're going to take our 8 and remove it. So we're going to get a 0 where this 8 used to be. We're going to turn it into 2 4s, and then we get 2 minus 1, which is? 1. So now we have 1 4. We used to have minus 1 4s, but now we have 1 4, so that's good. Minus 1, 0. Okay, so we have a new binary number. 1 minus 1, 0. Does that work? Is that a good binary number?
No, we still have a minus 1.
We still have a minus 1. So how are we going to fix that? So here's our 1, 2, 4, 8.
We're gonna take our 4s and turn it into 2 cubes.
Right. 1 times 4, this, here, equals 2 times 2. So when I get rid of that 4, I get my 0 in the 8s column. I get a 0 in the 4s column. And what do I get in the 2s column now? Because I turned this 4 into 2 2s.
You get a 1.
I get a 2 up here. 2 minus 1 is 1. That's in the 2s column, and my 1s column stays the same. I get a 0. So now I have the binary number 0, 0, 1, 0, which we would usually just write as 1, 0, base 2. We don't usually write the zeros that are out in front, right? Okay, so what does 1, 0, base 2 equal?
2.
2, just what we were hoping to get. Okay, so this is a little complicated, right? A little bit. Well, let's see if you can do one all by yourself. You ready? Okay, how about 1, 0, 1, 1 minus, actually let me write it a little bigger. Okay, your finger okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. 1, 0, 1, 1 minus 1, you know what, I'm going to put a 0 here. 1, 0, 1, 0 minus 1, 0, 1. That's what I'm going to take a look at. Okay? So let's remember, we got 1, 2, 4, 8. So what is this number on top here? 1, 0, 1, 0.
10.
10, very good. What is this number here?
5.
5. So 10 minus 5, it should be?
10 minus 5 should be 5.
5. So we're hoping to get 5. Okay? So go ahead and do your process. Write out the numbers.
0 minus 1 is minus
1.
1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 1 minus 0 is 1.
1. Okay, now is this a good binary number?
No, we've got
1 minus 1, 1 minus 1?
no,
No. Why not?
because we have 2 minus 1s.
Because we have 2 minus 1s. All right, how are we going to get rid of them?
Well,
Here's our 1s, 2s, 4s, 8s.
we're going to take our 8 and turn it into 2 4s.
We're going to take the 8 and turn it into 2 4s. Very good. So we're going to say 1 times 8 equals 2 times 4. So this 8 is going to become a 0. We're going to put a 2 up here and get 2 minus 1, which is
1.
1. We have 1, and then we have a minus 1. Okay, so we get 1, 1, minus 1. Now, how are we going to deal with this minus 1?
We're going to take our 4's and turn it into 2 2's, or our 2's and turn it into 2
Well,
1's.
remember, all we're trying to deal with is this one. So we're going to take this, the close one. We're going to take 1 times 2 equals 2 times 1. Okay? So the 4 we're going to leave the same. So this is going to be 0, 1. What happens to the 2?
It gets a 0.
It becomes a 0, and you get 2 2's up there. And 2 minus 1 is
1.
1. Okay, now remember, we were hoping we would get 5. So let's see. Is this number 5 in binary?
Yeah, I think we don't show that 0.
Usually we wouldn't write the 0. That's right. So how do you know that this is equal to 5?
Because it's the same number up there.
It is the same number up there. That's very interesting. So we get 1 times 1 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 4. So we get 4 plus 1, which is
5.
5. Hey. All right, so we've just done, I forget how many exactly, about 10 probably, videos. I forget when we started doing it, but we've been doing it for a little while. So you've learned all about binary, and you know how to add and subtract in binary now. Can you believe that? Is that fun? All right, good job. High five.